What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another Fridge Financials video. And it's the first video of 2026 here on the Fridge Financials channel. So if you're new to the video here, or you've been coming back and supporting me every single time, Happy New Year to you. Hopefully you're ready to have a great year. Hopefully you've made some good New Year's resolutions, and hopefully you are here to make some money. Because let me tell you, we are just getting started here at Fridge Financials, and we're here to produce more and more educational content to bring the money to you, to help you guys be absolutely successful. So today's video, we have some huge news coming into play, and it is not Fridge Financial stepping down. Don't worry, that's not going to happen. But what we have here, which I think is absolutely awesome, is going to be life-changing, hopefully, for a lot of us here, because again, if you're wondering about who I am and my background information, I've been a math teacher at a high school for the last 7 years of my life here. And a couple years ago, I think it was back in like 2023, maybe, I sat there and I was like, I love teaching. I love what I do every single day. What's a better way to also do it? Let's bring it to social media. Let's bring it to the platform of YouTube. And let's bring some financial education, because a lot of people I've watched through going through the schools are not quite familiar with financial education. So why not be the one to help make a difference here? So we are launching two awesome things starting today. As you will see here, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do, because it's right there. It's free of charge, of course. But if you are looking for even better content, and again, this is not a requirement for you to do, we now have membership options. And that is something that I never would have guessed when I started doing YouTube a couple years ago. I was like, it'd be cool if I could make money from it. And we are at a point where now we can. And to me, that is absolutely awesome. And I couldn't be any more grateful for everybody here. And so we'll go through the membership a little bit and give you guys a little bit of a rundown here. And again, no, I'm not going to sit there and, hold your hand towards it and be like, hey, like, you want to subscribe, you want to be part of the membership. It just, we wanted to kind of think about what's some ways that we can give back to the people who've been supporting it, and also give you guys some exclusive benefits that not everybody has access to. So if you've loved the Fridge Financials journey, here's a little bit more of an exclusive benefits for you guys, as you will see. So the first membership we have here is called Open the Fridge Door. Yes, that is funny. I know. I came up with it. That one is going to cost you about $3 a month, which is like literally like, just don't go to Starbucks. Don't even go buy a Starbucks, because Starbucks is so expensive these days. It's like $8 for a cup of coffee these days for the ones I usually get. Just don't go to Dunkin', don't go to Starbucks, don't go to 7 Brew. Just don't go for like one day, and you get a whole month of Open the Fridge Door membership here. Now, what does that include here? You get loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and the live chat. So again, you get to get a nice little special perk for it. You get a lot of member shout outs. Moving forward, when we start getting memberships in, every video is going to have a member shout out. Because again, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for all of you. So if you support the Fridge Financials channel in either way, your name is going to be shouted out to every single video. So keep that in mind. Maybe if you have your own platform, I don't know if we're allowed to do that or not, but maybe I'll take a look at the YouTube terms and conditions for this. But maybe if you have your own social media platform, I can shout that out. No problem for you guys. Put that on the membership. So feel free to put that there as well, which would be absolutely awesome. You also get access to members only live chats. I want to focus on doing live streaming a little bit. At least, my goal is to do at least once a week to do a live stream. The reason why is because I can interact with you guys in live time, and it's not just you guys watching videos. And if you have any questions, you can obviously ask those questions. So whenever I do a live stream, especially for 2026, that's my huge push, is to do more lives. When I do a live stream, I can put it into members only live chats. So it's only you guys talking to me in the chats, and it's not just a bunch of, people who are just coming by saying some really mean things, and that's it. It'll be a nice community we'll build there. You'll get early access to new videos, which again, my goal is to put out a lot of videos. So maybe I'll give you guys 24 hours of ahead of time of a video. Maybe I'll give you guys, 48 hours. I'm not really quite sure yet depending on what the video is, but you get early access to all the new videos that we put here at Fridge Financials. And again, we're cranking out videos a lot. I have so many good ideas and so much to keep me busy that you guys will get early access to new videos. I might just make all of them early access to new videos there for Fridge Financials. I'm not really quite sure yet. And also member only polls as well. That's a huge thing, because that could be a way to help guide you guys and guide the channel into what you want to see. You know, if I put a poll out there and say, what would you guys like to see for next week? And here's some options. You get to take part in these polls and to answer questions. And we get to really use your feedback to hopefully tailor this channel towards you guys. At the end of the day, this channel is all about tailoring to the community of people who want to learn financial education, people who want to invest, people that want to become successful, people that want to retire early. All those people, everybody in this community, we want to tailor to you guys the best we can, right? I don't want to make a video that nobody wants to see. So keep that in mind, that you guys will have options to definitely take part in these kind of polls, which is going to be absolutely awesome for me and awesome for you guys. You guys will benefit from it too. So that is the $3 a month one. Again, it's a cup of coffee from Starbucks. Just don't buy one for the day. You get a whole month access to that, which I think is great. Again, I think the big things here, the member shout outs, you'll get those every single video. Excuse me, it's still bad in the cold. The member-only live chats will be really nice. You can talk to me and not have a bunch of randoms fill the chat up. And also having these two right here, early access to new videos, I think is huge. And also member-only polls, I think is huge as well, because you get to help direct where the Fridge Financials channel will go. All right, so that's really, really awesome. Now, now, for double the price of that, instead of $3 a month, for $6 a month, you get the walk-in freezer option. Yes, it is clever. I know. Trust me. Pat on the back for me. Fridge Financials. The nice thing is you get all the perks from the previous 1 year, so it stacks up, which is great. But the also very, very nice thing is you get member-only live streams, which I want to try to push out, so that way we can have really more one-on-one inclusive conversations and not just a bunch of random people. And also member-only videos. Okay, so there might be I'm going to put some videos out maybe once a week where it's a member-only video. And that will be part of the walk-in freezer membership option. Now, what I want to bring to the membership live streams, to the member-only live streams here, I didn't put it in here, but I thought about it after these went live. I want to actually put my face cam on so it's more personal for you guys, for the tier of $6 a month here. You know me, I say all the time, if you've known me for a while, I don't like to be, show my face because I'm a public school teacher. But if it's live streams and it's behind the membership, then it's going to at least keep it a little more exclusive, a little bit more, private and personal and stuff like that. So that's something to keep in mind about, that you do get to get a live face reveal of what Fridge Financials is going to look like in these members only live streams, which would be absolutely awesome. And members only videos you'll be able to get access to of, I want to do at least one per week where it's just for members that are paying for this high tier here. Okay. It's $6 a month. Now, keep this in mind. The streaming services right now, okay, Netflix, $8 a month with ads is the cheapest one. Paramount Plus, I don't think anybody even uses that one. Peacock, $8. Fridge Financials memberships per month is a couple dollars less per month here, and you get a lot of educational, financial knowledge, understanding, and you get to have these more personal interactions with me. So we made this cheaper than all the major streaming platforms they have per month. Yes, we don't offer as much in terms of movies and videos and stuff like that, but I feel like what we're going to be offering is going to be very, very good for the long term for you guys here. So both memberships are cheaper than your lowest cost streaming platform service, which to me I think is absolutely awesome. And on top of that, with these live streams here, with just the walk-in freezer only, this is what I would like to do for the live stream members. Okay, so we can talk anything you want, from budgeting to stocks to investing to whatever. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't think of it that way. But these are some cool things that I've made over the last little while that I think will be very, very beneficial. Okay, and I'll move this over here so you get a nice little view of it. This spreadsheet right here, I just built, I think, over a cruise break here. Could be a little bit of time here. But what this spreadsheet here is a discounted cash flow analysis on a bunch of companies that we have here. The percent change, the current price, the earnings per share last 12 months, their compounding annual growth. Basically, there's a lot of calculations here throughout it. We do some bear case, some base case, bull case, discount rates, all this kind of stuff here. And it gives me some good price points for certain individual stocks. Okay, which to me, I think is very powerful. So for right now, for example, I would look at Alibaba and say Alibaba has not a lot of upside potential because these are all less than the actual current price of Alibaba. So I wouldn't go there right now. But for example, companies like Novo Nordisk, you can see Novo Nordisk is priced in very much undervalued right now. You can see Uber is actually still undervalued as well. You can see Adobe, you can see Pfizer. So this spreadsheet calculates the base case, bear case, bull case for 1 year, 3 year, 5 year projections of these stocks based off of previous earnings per shares and forward PE ratios and stuff like that, which I think is absolutely awesome. And you also get, this idea of intrinsic value, which is a huge thing we talk about in the finance community, and then about if you have what kind of upside potential that you have. So, for example, Novo Nordisk has a 80% potential upside. Margin of safety is really, really high right now. So it's very, very safe. So it's a safer investment you would want to go into, for example. So I put it as a buy of a 3. And we do this for, let me just show you over here. Let me just move my screen here. So you can see, so we have a nice little buy section over here. So you can see that, it's all about basing off of buys and valuations and stuff like that. So this is a very cool spreadsheet, and I can add so many stocks to it. I only have 65 right now, I believe. 65, yeah. I only have 65 that right now. They're the big companies, NVIDIA, Apple, Google, Microsoft, all that kind of jazz. But any stock you want to look at, we can show this on the members only live stream, which to me is a powerful thing. Because we could break down the stock, we could look at the earnings per shares, we could look at what analysts are projecting for the next 3 to 5 years, and we can basically come up with a calculation to see, is it a good buy or is it not? For example, Palantir, based off this model here, because Palantir is a huge premium you're paying, this model says Palantir is a no-go, which obviously a lot of people say is a no-go. Some people say it is because they make a lot of money on it, but this is just one model as an example of it. You can take a look and see there's more of them here. PayPal's another one, Target's another one, Lululemon's another one, Trade Desk another one. American Airlines sucks, it looks like. HIM's overpriced. But again, it's all based off of their earnings per shares and their PE ratios and all that kind of stuff there. So with these members only live streams, this is a part of it. Okay, where we could plug numbers in. You could write a ticker symbol over here, or you could tell me which one to look up, and I'll look it up, and we'll do some numbers and crunch the numbers and really figure out, is there some good potential in the stock or not? Again, I will not say go out and buy it. I am not a financial advisor, so keep that in mind. I will never advise you to go out and buy it, but hopefully this gives you a little bit of a perspective as to if you were bullish on Microsoft, do you have a case? If you were bearish on Taiwan Semiconductors, do you have a case? That kind of stuff. That was kind of what the goal was for this spreadsheet here, which I think is absolutely amazing. If that's not enough for you, if you don't want to do stocks investing, you want to just do budgeting stuff, we got a budgeting spreadsheet. I partnered with Bigger Tables from this spreadsheet a long time ago, and I got to update it a little bit with the years and stuff, but we can talk your budget. We can break it down step by step and take a look and see, hey, how much are you getting paid? How much is your income, your bills, your expenses? Do you have a surplus? Are you spending too much? We can go into your investment overviews if you want to. We could pay off your loans and look at how you pay off your loans and stuff like that. So this spreadsheet is more of those people who want to focus on budgeting, who want to focus on paying down debts, who want to focus on investing and where they're going for the future. Again, with the Fridge Financials walk-in freezer membership, these live streams, you get access to this, which is absolutely amazing, in my opinion. It's a cool spreadsheet. It really gives you the numbers. It'll definitely be something that's very, very helpful for people who want to budget. So you've got an investing spreadsheet for you if you'd like to for stocks. We've got a budgeting spreadsheet for you as well if you want to just do budgeting. A little bit of everything here. And the cool thing I also made a long time ago, it's still really awesome, is a net worth investment tracker. To me, this is very, very cool because it allows us to put in your data for what you have invested stocks into and cryptos and everything else, and then summarize where you are at. So for example, here are some tickers that are most popular: Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Meta. How much you've put into them, what your gain or loss will be here. All this kind of information is here provided for you, which again, we can plug the numbers into the calculator on these live streams. We do the same thing with crypto. These are the crypto prices that are updating. Now, they're not updating as much as real time, but they do update pretty much. I fact check these prices. These are all still very much accurate as you look up online. So you can put in your crypto investments if you'd like to in this tab over here. If you're into Bitcoin, if you're into Ethereum, if you're into whatever. You have other investments. If you have NFTs, which I doubt people do have NFTs, but if you do, we can plug that in there or put something else in here. I really don't care, honestly. This is back when NFTs were a big hype, so it was kind of like whatever. If you get a trading cards, some of the trading cards is a huge thing that people invest in and stuff like that. We could look at that as well. These obviously are manual inputs because we don't have live trackers for that. And also, if you want to put any money in your bank accounts, checking account, saving account, whatever the case is. And we can always add more if we need to. And then you get a nice little summary sheet. We could track your net worth. We could try to see where your net worth is, where you're at, how much return you have, and kind of go down and break it down per, week, all that kind of stuff there for you. So a lot of amazing things here. So with the walk-in freezer live streams that you get, again, in case you haven't, in case you just tuned in later or whatever the case is, with your membership only live streams, where you only get access to the live stream if you pay for the membership of walk-in freezer, you get access to my spreadsheet. In terms of we got to look at it live together. My spreadsheet about valuations of current stocks for this year, for 3 years, and for 5 years. You get a budgeting spreadsheet of availability as well. You also get a net worth breakdown spreadsheet as well. A lot of things that we offer here at Fridge Financials, and it's only going to get better. Okay, but again, you're not forced to do this. If you'd like to support it, feel free to. Again, you also have the $3 one a month as well, which you get a lot of still really good things, just not the live streams for members only, where you get these 3 spreadsheets. And as we get bigger, we're going to make more and more content for you guys and more resources to help you guys be successful. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. What a big thing we're at the beginning of the new year here. Happy New Year to you all. If you made this fun the video, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. Feel free, if you'd like to, join the memberships here. You're more than happy to do so if you would like to. Again, no one's forcing you to, but at least hopefully you're subscribed to Fridge Financials for all future videos. Hopefully you're making money in the market in some way, shape, or form. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video.